Thank you for purchasing the Charleston Tour Pass. In this demonstration, I'm going to show how to use your Tour Pass. And whenever you first click on the link, it'll show your name. It says, Welcome, John. Your Tour Pass, in this example, it's a 3-day pass for 2 adults and 2 children, which includes 2 featured tours. This pass has been activated because in this example, we've already booked 1 featured tour. So this is your pass ID, which is unique to you. And so let's go ahead and act like we're going to book a featured tour. So we've already booked Charleston Strolls History Walking Tour. Let's go ahead and book a Spirit Line Harbor Tour. So for Spirit Line Harbor Tours, it says reservations are required. Please visit their departure locations and present your tour pass at the gate in exchange for a ticket. But in this example, you do have to actually book a tour. So you could watch a video, look at their hours of operation, visit their website, check out a map to see where they depart from. So let's go ahead and click Book Now. Select your desired date. Select how many adults and children. See available times. Select the time you want to leave, and you choose this tour. It will then book this featured tour, which will show up on your home screen. In addition to featured tours, we also have the unlimited category, which you see down here. So if you click on the unlimited category, you can visit any of these tours or attractions or food vendors one time during your pass duration. So for instance, Lewis Barbecue, receive a $7 lunch or dinner voucher. All you would do is when you come to the register to pay, just tell them that you have the Charleston Tour Pass. They will then check you in, and that's it. So we also have a free category, which shows you different things to do in Charleston that are free. You can do these anytime, whether your pass is active or not. We also have additional discounts you can take advantage of. And we also have a location map, which shows where you are. It also shows the details if you want to click, for instance, the Angel Oak Tree. It opens that detail page. So we hope we enjoy your experience with the Charleston Tour Pass and have a great time in Charleston.